Yeah, welcome. Today I choose to do this to enable some person focus more on area in which they can read. This is CSME, Corporate Strategic Management and Ethic. This is skills for skills level. For skills level. Now, these are the exam focus where you will focus more to read. I'm going to show you because ICAN has a way of setting 7 questions, and I'm going to show you where these 7 questions are coming from so that you can strategize your reading for CSME skills level. Number 1 area is strategic management. This strategic management is where number 1 question, compulsory question at times come from. You can't run away from this. And this strategic management carries from chapter 1 to chapter 8, if I'm not mistaken, of the CSME pack. Now, if you look CSME very well, you find out that CSME pack is not all that big. But CSME is very easy, but easy to pass, but difficult to write. Why? Because of the techniques involved. Now, in this strategic management is where you find most of your models, the BCG model, the Pestel model, the Potter's Diamond model, Potter's 5 Force. This is where you will find the models, and these models are being tested in strategic management here. They might ask you a direct question here, or they might ask you a scenario-based question here in which you can apply those models and answer. That is here. This question normally come out as compulsory question number 1. The next one is risk management. Risk management also, 1 question must come out from risk management. 1 question. This is assessing the risk, how to manage the risks of a company, of an organization, how to share risks. Now, here 1 question will come out. The next one is corporate governance. In corporate governance, this is where they discuss Heron scandals, and it's because of the Heron scandals that this corporate governance emanated from. So, corporate governance has 1 question that will come out from there. So, when reading, read so that you know how to balance your reading. The next one is what? Ethics. Ethics. In this ethics, that is where we got integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, professional behavior, and what have you. This is the place 1 question comes out from here. And the last one is soft skills. This soft skills is not in the pack I'm holding here. This soft skills is not inside. Now, I don't know, maybe in the one you have, you might see the soft skills there. But one thing remains, that soft skills has 1 question, and this soft skills, the aspect of the soft skills is not large. So they must set 1 question, and what are these soft skills? I'm going to do a video just on these soft skills. You have technical skills, and we'll have the soft skills, right? Now, in these soft skills, 1 question they must set 1 question from these soft skills. Now, let's check it. 1 question here composing, 1 question here, 1 question here, 1 question here, 1 question. That is what? 5 questions, and we have 7 questions in our exams. Now, where are those 2 questions coming from? Now, the 2 questions are coming from where? Risk management and ethics. That is to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is to say 2 questions from here, 2 questions from here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. But at times, in some cases, risk management and ethics, they will combine these 2 questions as one and ask it in the compulsory section. But most of the times it is rare, because this strategic management is known to be your number 1 compulsory question. But in some cases they've added risk and ethics together and asked as number one. So if you know this, that here is your strat, you have one question from here. This is the has the largest distinct chapters in CSM here, because it deals with most models. So once you study here, read here, read here, read here, read here, here and here again, you have your 7 questions, and out of these 7, I think you have to answer 5 questions. Yes, 5 questions. The first one 30, second one 20 mark, 20. Then the third one, the third section 15 mark, which you answer 1, 2, 2 in section B, 2 in section C, if I'm not mistaken. So these are the areas that you concentrate more. Know how you build your strength across this. But just know that one question must come here, one must come here, one must come here. Sorry, 2 must come here, 2 must come here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So this is what I have observed on my own, because I have reviewed the past questions. I saw the trend. So I decided to come with the trend and share it here so that it will enable us to focus our reading, to know how we can concentrate on our reading. Like I say, I will do a video on just these soft skills. Like these soft skills, you'll be hearing things like social thinking, creative thinking, emotional intelligence, leadership. Those are the soft skills. They'll just go there and set one. You'll be wondering, where did they bring this thing from? They are what? Soft skills, in which one question must come. I believe this video helps you a lot, just to give you a guide. Please, and please, this is my own observation on the trend of CSME. My own observation. I have reviewed the past question. I found out that this is the trend. They normally ask one compulsory question here, 2 here, 1 here, 2 here, and 1 here. So use this and build across your reading so that at least you have guide when reading. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.